Man, fuck this shit. No stories, yo. What the fuck? Yo, wait. This ain't bad. Man, what a waste of my time. I love you, bitch. I ain't never gonna stop loving you, bitch. Gang, it better not be you again. Yeah, who be playing with me? Who is it this time? Shit. Yo, who's screwing with me? Yo, who's screwing with me? Fucking kids, man.
Hey, what are you doing? Okay, do you have plans later?
I think I just go home and study.
You do that every day.
Yeah, I know, but I have someone waiting for me at home today.
Your imaginary BTS boyfriends?
Hey, they're real, okay? We're in love. They just don't know yet.
Okay, sure. Since you actually don't have any real plans, do you want to meet me at MSC later?
Fine, I guess I'll make time for you.
Alright, I'll see you then. Bye.
Bye.
Hey, how's it going?
Good.
That's good.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Alright, I know we're working on the project, but I just had a question for you.
Yeah, of course.
Has anything like weird been happening to you?
Weird. Like what?
I don't know, just like stuff. Never mind, if not, it's fine.
What? Like...
I don't know, I was like, there's like a lot to explain.
Like what?
There was this one night when I was trying to sleep, and I couldn't because I felt like there was this presence. I was struggling, and then I woke up.
And I'm like, and it just freaked me out like so much, but yeah.
When did this all start happening?
It was after I read that story.
What story?
Oh, if you don't know it, then never mind.
Tell me.
No, it's scary.
Tell me.
No, it's scary, and I don't want stuff happening.
Tell me or I'm not gonna finish this project.
Okay. I don't know. It's called Alone. It's just don't read it. Just don't read it. Okay? Promise me you won't read it.
I'll think about it.
Okay. Yeah. But, okay, as long as you won't read it, I'm gonna go. I'll see you later. Thanks for working on the project.
Fine, whatever.
Don't read it.
I'll think about it. Where is it? I can't find it. It's whatever.
Nobody knew who I was, and people would just stare at me and call me a freak. I was all alone. My parents told me I was different from all the other kids. I never really understood what they were trying to portray. The only true friends I ever had was the voices inside my head. They said I would never be alone, and I sticked with them till the very end. I always argue with my dad. This would happen every single day, and I hated it. Mom would never help me when Dad and I would always argue. She never cooked meals for me and never took care of me. This was why I was in so much pain, as I was all alone, and all I wanted was people in my life that would support me. I was in so much pain that I would cut myself. The deeper I cut myself, the better it was, because it would feel good. The voices in my head would mess with me, saying how I should kill myself and be with them. And then while I was sitting in the corner of my closet, I looked up and there she was. Without hesitation, I took her hand and went with her. Later, my parents took me to a shaman that said that he can fix me and make all my friends go away, but I didn't want that to happen. As I lose all my friends, my body started to feel weird and everything inside me felt like it was burning. It felt like I was going to be a whole different person. It was already too late. My spirit was already long gone and dead. The shaman couldn't do anything about it, so they sent me to a psych ward hospital. I had no idea what that was going on. It was for people who were mentally disabled, but I wasn't mental at all. I felt the need to kill. They locked me up in a small room that kept me away from everything. I was all alone again. It made me mad, and I knew someday I would get my revenge. I had killed many security guards as they would give me food and water. I would take my advantage and kill them. It was a wonderful sight to see, but they knew I was too dangerous, so they killed me, and now I roam the world finding people to kill, so I won't be alone anymore.
That was it? That was nothing! It's not that scary. Just sleep now.
So watch me bring the fire, set the night light. Shoes on, get up in the morning, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. Keng Vang.
Scared me. I'm just teasing you.
You always tease me.
Yeah, it's kind of fun. Anyways, where are you headed to?
Introduction to Drinking 101.
Ooh, I had that class last semester. Passed it with an A.
What does it teach anyways?
It teaches you how to drink, duh. Girl, just wait until you get to the second half of the semester.
Are you sure? Because she keeps talking about lab, but I don't see anything.
Girl, the lab is where you get to go to parties and clubs, and then you get to drink and just see how high your tolerance is.
Cool, that was really interesting.
Yeah, just wait of all the things you get to do. You'll love it, trust me.
Hey, yo, girls, what are you guys up to?
We're not interested.
You guys look fine to me.
We said we're not interested.
Come on, I know you guys want to hang out.
They were really ugly.
Yeah, I know.
Come on, girls, I know you guys want to hang out.
Baby girl!
You're still following us?
Come on. You guys won't regret it.
Pretty girl over there. Yeah, okay.
There's a pretty guy over there!
Where are you guys going?
Juko.
Oh, Yuri, grab it! You okay?
But like, yesterday I had sleep paralysis.
What happened?
I don't know, this lady was standing, yeah, like by my door. I don't know, it was scary.
Wait, why do you suddenly have sleep paralysis now?
I don't know, it's probably because of this stupid story that I read called Alone.
Are you telling me that you read that scary Hmong ghost story?
Wait, you know about it too?
Yeah, because I read it and weird shit keeps happening to me.
Wait, you read it and the weird shit started happening to you?
Yeah, it's really creepy.
But I don't believe in any of that, Lucy, okay? It's probably just because I was lacking sleep.
No, trust me, it's real. It's not fake.
No, it's not, Lucy, okay? Nothing of it's real.
Oh my gosh.
I do not believe in it.
You know what you sound like right now?
What?
Those stupid people in the movies that think all this stuff is not real, but in the end they end up dying because of it. I have to find a shaman or something, but like, where? I mean, like,
Doctor, tụi mình sai. Này, tên này mua cái sơn dans the cái đa beyond not beyond.
What did you say?
faut que tu parles allemand.
Oh, you guys are American.
Yeah.
You guys have problem with ghosts around yourself?
Yeah.
Do you guys need help? Because
We do.
I'm actually a shaman myself. It's just, you know, I'm kind of homeless. I know people don't like homeless people, but I can help. You know, I have a lot of strong beliefs in my own
We're
religion.
desperate.
At this point, we'll take anything.
Really?
Yeah.
All right then. What do you guys want to? Can you guys show me to your house? Can I inspect everything?
Okay, let's
Yeah,
go.
let's go.
Okay, follow us.
Okay, come in here.
Thank you. Do you guys take off your shoes?
Yes.
Okay. Your guys' house smells strange.
Oh, it's just the food.
Oh yeah? I think differently. So how long has this been happening?
I don't know.
For me, it's been happening for a couple weeks now, but it's been recent for Gao Meng.
Couple days, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you guys traditional?
No, I don't really believe in all this stuff.
Well, see, I grew up very traditional because I live in a world full of wonder, if I would say so myself.
Anything?
Not yet. Girls, I don't really see any thing. Well, girls, I'm gonna need more preparation because that over there is some wild shit. I'll be right back.
Okay.
I'll be right back. I need more things to prepare for this because you don't want this thing around.
Okay. What about your shoe? I thought he was...
Do you think this is gonna work?
I don't know. Do we trust the shaman? I mean, we found him on the street walking.
He's homeless.
We are desperate. We don't want the ghosts to be around us anymore.
I guess we'll just have to do whatever he says and just, follow through.
See, what if it doesn't work? Then what do we do? I can't live like this anymore. I know I don't believe it, but like at this point, I can't live like this anymore.
I told you it was real, but...
Whatever, Lucy.
Okay, but like...
It's not the point.
Okay. I might have a plan if this doesn't work, but I want to trust the shaman that it does work.
Fine. If it doesn't work, it's on you. Okay.
Okay.
But then we'll just have to wait until he comes back because I don't know where he went. He forgot his shoe too. I don't know where he went.
Ladies, I'm back.
Who is it?
What?
home, you gotta go look for stuff.
Makes sense.
This is what I need to help get rid of this damn ghost.
Wait, what is this?
This is gonna help us?
This is a very important weapon when it comes to shamanism. You know those big moon knives? This is all the same powers, but portable.
Oh.
And my family used it for me when I was young. This hopefully will be enough to help you guys today.
Okay. Really cool. Okay.
Girls, if this doesn't work, I suggest you both just run away.
Okay.
Do you think it's gonna work? I don't know, but it should. He's a shaman. Oh, okay, fine. I trust you.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh, My name is Vam. I'm from the outside world, entering the spirit world. Why are you threatening these two young ladies?
To kill
To kill who?
your mama.
My mama?
Your mama.
No one makes fun of my fucking mom!
That's why you pussy.
I'm not a pussy! Who you calling a pussy? You bitch! I'll rip up your titties and feed it to you! Come at me! Come on, bitch! You don't want to see me like this! Come on! Come on!
Wake up, you're okay. Hey.
What happened?
I can't do this. I've made a terrible mistake! Fucking botched on it! Girls, let's get the fuck out of here! Fuck! I'm homeless for a reason! I can't do this shit!
You're supposed to help us!
Told you he was in a shaman!
Ugh, why did we have to trust a homeland guy?
We just got to miss ourselves.
Yeah. I'll grab the jacket.
Okay. Come on, we
just gotta go.
gotta go. It's no use. We're doomed.
Don't worry. I think I have another plan. Shit.
Hola,
Hey.
who is it?
It's Lucy.
Oh, hi.
Hey.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you. How about you?
Doing well. What's going on? Yeah, so like what's been going on, you know? Anything weird?
Nope. I was just thinking that it's been like 3 months since we fought off that ghost, and
that we kick her ass.
yeah.
That shaman didn't do nothing.
I know he was
Yeah.
worthless, homeless. He still has his shoes here.
I don't know why I still keep it there. I mean, like, we already fought the ghost. We don't need anything with it.
Yeah. Like I came and swung at her, and
then I came in like
we just kind of like
and
beat her
then-
up there.
dead. Oh, well, she's already dead. But then like dead a second time.
Double dead.
Yeah. Okay. I can see that. But yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Well, yeah. I just want to come say hi. I'm gonna go
Yeah.
clean my house now.
Okay, yeah, 10K. Okay.
I just do it. It's a habit.
Sure, it was a habit. Okay. Are you sure nothing weird has been going on?
No. I mean, nothing new. I was just doing artwork and just going through school.
Well, if anything weird does happen, remember, we can still fight ghosts.
Mhm.
I mean, we did beat one up.
Yes.
So.
Okay. Well, I'll see you later, girl.
Okay, bye. Have fun cleaning.
Thank you.
Who's there? It's there. It's weird.
Two, one, and action. I love you, bitch. Never again, I love you. What is it?
3, 2, 1, and action. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Can we read it?
1 and action. Wait, action.
I can't live like this anymore. I know I said I don't believe it, but like at this point, I can't live like this anymore.
I told you it was real, but
Whatever, Lucy.
okay, but like,
It's not the point.
okay. I might have a plan if this doesn't work, but I want to trust the shaman that it does work.
Fine, if it doesn't work, it's on you. Okay, okay. But then we'll just have to wait until you come back because I don't know where he went. He forgot his shoe too. I don't know where he went. How could he forget his shoes? He's home.
Action.
My name is Vam. I'm from the outside world, entering the spirit world. Why are you threatening these two young ladies?
To kill
To kill who?
your mama.
1 and action.
Everyone, get the fuck out of here!
1 and action. No, you're fine. Action.